Welcome to this video on revolutionizing digital finance, the power of RWA tokenization. Hi, I'm Dennis Frank, and this is a CryptoKraken.com production. Today we'll be diving deep into the world of real-world assets, or RWAs, exploring how the tokenization of real-world assets is revolutionizing the landscape of digital finance. As we journey through this fascinating topic, we'll uncover RWA tokenization's benefits, challenges, and future potential. So, let's embark on this exciting adventure together and discover how real-world assets are shaping the future of investing and asset management. Tokenizing real-world assets marks a groundbreaking shift in how assets are accessed, exchanged, and managed, introducing a new era for blockchain-powered financial services and extending its use beyond just financial applications. These RWAs, which encompass everything from currencies and commodities to equities and bonds, are digitally tokenized to represent physical and traditional financial assets, thereby bridging the gap between tangible assets and the digital world. Moreover, the process of tokenizing these assets into RWA crypto promises not only to democratize access to high-value investments, but also to reshape the landscape of decentralized finance by enhancing asset liquidity, increasing accessibility, and streamlining transactions across the board. As the digital representation of value-bearing assets outside the blockchain, RWAs are fundamentally transforming the investment paradigm. By enabling fractional ownership and expanding investor access to a wider array of assets, such as tokenized real estate, gold, and commodities, RWAs are set to redefine what's possible in the realm of asset tokenization. With the total value locked in tokenized RWAs reaching approximately $5 billion as of December 2023, it's clear that RWA tokenization is not just a fleeting trend, but a significant segment within the DeFi ecosystem poised for continued growth. Understanding the process of RWA tokenization involves several key steps and components that make it a transformative approach in the digital finances sector. This section breaks down the core aspects of RWA tokenization, highlighting its methodology, benefits, and the wide range of assets that it encompasses. Let's look at the key components of RWA tokenization. Here are the types of real-world assets: real estate, art, collectibles, and commodities. Financial assets include U.S. treasuries, currency, stocks, and even stablecoins. Intellectual property rights and precious metals such as tokenized gold. Here is the tokenization process: asset identification and valuation, which determines the asset's value and suitability for tokenization. Legal and regulatory compliance. It ensures the tokenization adheres to existing laws and regulations. The creation of smart contracts, utilizing blockchain technology to create secure and transparent contracts. Blockchain platform selection. This means choosing an appropriate blockchain for hosting the tokens. Token creation and issuance, generating the digital tokens that represent the real-world assets. Ownership record and custody solutions. This establishes a clear record of ownership and secure storage solutions. Finally, the exchange and marketplace facilitates the trading and exchange of tokenized assets. Now let's look at the advantages of tokenized assets. Number 1, increased liquidity and accessibility. Tokenization divides assets into smaller, tradable fractions, enabling investors to own shares of assets. This process significantly increases the liquidity and accessibility of high-value items. Number 2, enhanced transparency and security. Through the use of smart contracts on a blockchain, RWA tokenization enhances the transparency, security, and immutability of asset transactions. Number 3, fractional ownership. Allows investors to own fractions of high-value properties or rare collectibles, thereby diversifying their investment portfolios. Number 5, borderless accessibility. Eliminates geographical and financial barriers typical for conventional asset investment, making it easier for international businesses and investors to participate. The tokenized gold market has captured over $1 billion in investment, with a combined market capitalization of tokenized money market funds nearing $500 million. The tokenized asset market is projected to reach $16 trillion by 2030, indicating a significant growth trajectory for RWA tokenization. RWA tokenization benefits from enhanced liquidity and accessibility and has the potential to change the landscape of decentralized finance fundamentally. As of December 2023, the total value locked into RWAs was approximately $5 billion. Through the integration of blockchain technology, RWA tokenization presents a promising avenue for democratizing access to high-value investments, enhancing asset liquidity, and streamlining transactions. Now let's look at benefits of tokenizing RWAs. Tokenizing real-world assets brings forth a myriad of benefits that revolutionize how assets are managed, traded, and invested in. These benefits can be categorized into three main areas: enhanced liquidity and market accessibility, increased transparency and security, and efficiency and cost reduction. Number 1. Enhanced liquidity and market accessibility. Tokenizing RWAs fosters globally accessible liquidity conditions, enabling traditionally illiquid assets to be traded more freely and efficiently on a unified blockchain ecosystem. Number 2. Fractional ownership. By allowing for fractional ownership, tokenization opens up access to a broader set of users, democratizing investment in high-value assets such as real estate, art, and commodities. Number 3. Around-the-clock trading. Tokenized assets can be bought and sold around the clock on digital exchanges, facilitating fast, global transactions at scale without the need for brokers, thereby bypassing traditional market hours and geographical restrictions. Number 4. Increased transparency and security. Auditable asset management. The blockchain's inherent features ensure transparency and auditable asset management, significantly decreasing systemic risks associated with asset trading and management. Number 5. Immutable ownership records. A public immutable record on the blockchain provides full visibility into asset ownership and transaction activity, establishing clear title and provenance and preventing fraud. Number 6. Automated compliance. Smart contracts can automate regulatory requirements, including KYC, AML checks, enhancing compliance and trust in transactions. Number 7. Efficiency and cost reduction. Reduced transaction costs. Tokenization significantly reduces the cost and time associated with transactions by cutting out middlemen and lowering traditional transaction fees and documentation expenses. Number 8. Maintenance cost savings. Ongoing token administration through blockchain consensus can bring down maintenance costs compared to physical assets and legacy record keeping, making it more cost-effective for asset owners. Lastly, streamlined asset digitization. The process of tokenizing assets is streamlined, enabling efficient digitization, compliance, and asset valuation, which in turn facilitates risk management and the creation of new investment products. These benefits collectively contribute to a more dynamic, accessible, and secure financial ecosystem. Tokenizing RWAs not only enhances the value proposition of digital assets, but also fundamentally transforms the landscape of DeFi, making it an indispensable part of the future of finance. Let's explore the real-world applications and case studies. Exploring the multifaceted world of RWA crypto through real-world applications and case studies reveals the transformative potential of tokenization across various sectors. Number 1. Global finance and investment. Stablecoins and tokenized treasuries are revolutionizing global payments, remittances, and investment avenues, offering new opportunities for financial inclusivity. DeFi lending protocols are democratizing lending and borrowing by providing SMEs access to decentralized finance. Number 2. Financial institutions and blockchain. Giants like BlackRock, Fidelity, and JP Morgan are employing blockchain technology to tokenize real-world assets, showcasing the growing acceptance of RWAs within traditional financial sectors. Number 3. Consumer engagement and sustainability. Leading brands such as Nike and Coca-Cola are leveraging NFTs to enhance digital footprints and customer engagement. The tokenization of carbon credits within the carbon market is fostering a sustainable future by enhancing transparency and accountability in environmental initiatives. Number 4. Arts, real estate, and beyond. Democratizing access to high-value items through tokenization is creating new investment opportunities. Real estate tokenization simplifies ownership transfers, making them more accessible and efficient for smaller investors through fractionalized ownership. Innovative tokenization in trade finance is highlighting the potential for improved efficiency and reduced fraud in the market. Number 5. Legal and regulatory uncertainty. This ensures compliance with financial laws, and navigating international legal frameworks remain significant challenges for RWA tokenization. Number 6. Security and fraud risks. Smart contract vulnerabilities and the custody of physical assets are critical considerations, emphasizing the need for robust methods to authenticate NFTs and support court-ordered transfers. Number 7. Market and technological hurdles. The tokenized asset market is subject to speculation and volatility, presenting adoption hurdles and operational complexities that require innovative solutions and ongoing education to bridge the knowledge gap. Addressing these challenges is crucial for the continued growth and acceptance of RWA tokenization. Developing secure and user-friendly platforms, along with clear regulatory guidelines, will be key to mitigating these concerns and unlocking the full potential of RWAs. So what is the future of RWA tokenization? The future of RWA tokenization is poised for substantial growth and diversification, propelled by several key trends and technological advancements. This evolution not only broadens the scope of assets that can be tokenized, but also improves the security, efficiency, and accessibility of tokenized real-world assets for investors and institutions alike. In conclusion, it's evident that the tokenization of tangible and financial assets represents more than just a technological innovation. It's a financial revolution. Understanding the depth and breadth of this subject matter undoubtedly fuels the desire to explore further and unearth even more insights into the world of crypto and blockchain technology. For those captivated by RWA Crypto's promises and eager to dive deeper into the nuances of this domain, exploring RWA tokenization not only enhances our understanding of digital finance, but also serves as a compass guiding us towards a future where the full potential of blockchain technology is realized. Thank you for watching this video about real-world assets. This class of crypto is going to explode over the next few years and promises to create wealth opportunities for those who do their homework and invest wisely in this crypto space. If you found this video on RWAs informative and engaging, I invite you to explore more of my content at cryptokraken.com. As a passionate researcher and author in the crypto and blockchain space, I strive to provide valuable insights, in-depth analyses, and thought-provoking discussions on a wide range of topics. In addition to my website, I encourage you to check out my books on Amazon at Amazon/author Dennis-Frank. As an author, I've dedicated countless hours to researching, writing, and publishing comprehensive guides and books on various aspects of the crypto and blockchain ecosystem. I invite you to check them out today.